Hello everyone, good morning. I am Neelam, your art teacher, and this week again we are learning color technique, and that is blending. And for that I am using a marker on a white sheet and I am drawing cloud shape. Some curved lines connecting one to another. Two lines I have drawn and I am drawing one oval in the center, and then some U shapes for flower petals. Okay, this is a bigger flower because we are learning color blending, so we have to draw a big flower. Now I will draw one stem, two curved lines and one more curved line for the leaf, and then we will use the same curved lines like semicircle, upside down and one opposite. Like the same technique, I will draw one more leaf on the other side, and I will draw one line to show the land and the sky area. On this line I will draw some grass with some curved lines. And these grass should be pointed. They can't be even, so make them randomly. Now we will use oil pastel colors for this picture, and for flower I am using red and orange color. Red for the darker shade and orange for the lighter shade. So I am showing you the first technique is just fill the red color in strokes towards outside. You will start from the center circle part and toward outside means towards the tip of the petal. And now we will use light color like orange color on the tip of the flower, and I will use the same direction, opposite direction towards inside. And now at the center I will blend these two colors with the blending technique, that is scribbling in circular motion. Now the final technique is this. This is very good, so you have to learn this technique. Just fill the color in your half petal or more than half with orange color, the lightest one. Then I will start coloring with darker shade, that is red color. Just apply these two colors, and again I am using orange color on these two colors in scribbling technique like circular motion, where I have to give a little pressure to the color where the two colors applied in the center to blend these two colors. Now I am showing you again the same technique. Just I have applied these two colors and I am again using the orange color to blend them. So this is the technique. You have to follow this technique. You have to learn this technique, and you have to paint the whole painting with this technique. Just apply these two colors in the center. The color will be overlap each other. First we are applying the light color, then we apply the darker one, then we will use the lightest color to blend them. And in blending we will give pressure to the color. And these are oil pastel colors, so these are very soft. They can blend easily. So this is the technique for today's painting. Apply this technique in your paintings everywhere, anywhere. When you color, you can apply this technique. And like in sky, I am using dark blue color on the upper layer, and just I am leaving some space. On the edges I am doing dark color with pressure, and nearby the outline I am leaving some space because I will add light blue color here, cerulean blue. Cerulean blue is lighter than the dark blue, and I am mixing it with the dark blue with the same technique, that is scribbling technique. Just like that, you have to fill all the layers of this sky. Upper part should be darker and the lower part should be lighter, and in the center we will blend these two colors, light and dark. And to make these blue color lighter, you can use the lightest blue, and to make the light blue lighter, we can use white color. Just I'm using white color in the last layer, and I will blend it with the blue color. You can use tissue paper, you can use cotton to blend these lines. Okay, this is the technique. Okay, now we are using light green and dark green on the grasses. Just fill the grass area with light green and just make outline on one side with darker color. And for the green leaves, we are using dark green at the bottom part, and half green leaf you have to cover with dark color and half leaf with light green. Then you have to blend the colors at the center. Now I am coloring the second leaf with the same technique. Now next, after this leaf, I will use brown color for the center part of the flower, and I will use black color as a dark color to make the outline, and then just overlap it. And I'm using the same brown color on the stems, and I will use the light color, light brown, that is ochre yellow, and the same ochre yellow I will use on the background in the ground area. Hope you like the technique. Hope you like the painting. You must try this. You must try this technique in your paintings, in your color technique. After completing the picture, after completing the coloring part, I will remove the tape. It's another technique to make the borders clean. Hope you like it. Thank you.